Question: can keyboard apps spy on users? Yes, keyboard apps can potentially collect user data, including keystrokes and personal information. This capability depends on the permissions granted during installation and the app's privacy practices. Many third-party keyboard apps may require extensive permissions to function correctly, which can include access to your typing activities. If sensitive permissions are granted, the app can monitor what you type, including passwords and private messages. To minimize risks, it is advisable to use trusted apps and regularly review permissions in your device settings. To check and manage keyboard app permissions, 1. Go to your device's settings. 2. Select apps or applications. 3. Find and select the keyboard app in question. 4. Tap on permissions to view what data it can access. 5. Adjust permissions as necessary to limit data collection.